Established in 2015, Dong Guan Xiang Mei Travel Products Company Limited specializes in manufacturing luggage bags, folding trolley cart, and luggage parts, such like trolley, handle, and wheels. Located in Zhongtang Town, Dongguan City, which nearby Shenzhen and Guangzhou, we enjoy convenient access to major transportation networks. Our company covers an area of 16,700 square meter and has around 127 staff members, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Furthermore, all our products are manufactured with advanced equipment and strict QC procedures in order to ensure high quality, guaranteeing stable and timely supply, credible quality, and sincere service. Our products sell well in both domestic and overseas markets. Most hot sale items at Korea and Japan are in ready stock with all popular colors. Minimum order quantity is only 50 pieces. Also, we can help to develop new designs for all kinds of vacuum-formed items and injected items with low tooling cost and free samples. We always seek for long-time business relationship, customer first and quality first, and we will continue to innovate, improve product functions, improve product service life, use new materials, save Earth resources, and protect the environment. If you are interested in any of our products or wish to place a customized order, please contact us. We will do our best to meet your needs.